Year 6. Okay, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna start our lesson with Unit 8, How the Tiger Got His Stripes, Part 3. The topic for today is we're gonna discuss on the setting, characters, and the plot. Setting. What is setting? It shows the place and time a story takes place. What does it mean? I will explain to you by showing the examples. Again, reminder, setting shows the place and time. Okay, now I will show you 4 examples. Look at the picture number 1. This picture is our school, right? So imagine you want to write a story about a girl or a boy who is actually going to school. Okay, and then what happened to the school? Or you can say, what happened to the girl? Or what happened to the boy? Is it happens in the daytime? Is it happen at the late night? So you set your story by picking up a place that you wanted or picking up time by looking at picture number 2. Okay, this is a picture of a castle. Who's the characters you want to put in? Maybe a prince, a queen, a king, or a princess. So it's up to you. So the setting of your place is in the castle, and you can put it at maybe it happens at night. Okay, for example, like a Cinderella. Okay, Cinderella, she loses her shoes. So what happened? Is it happens at night? When is it happen? You know that it happens in the castle. It happens at night, and it's actually during the ball. And then, how about picture number 3? It looks like a very scary place. Only one house in the middle of nowhere at night. Maybe you want to write about horror story, or nightmare. Okay, so the setup of the place. Okay, maybe this is like a haunted house. Now look at picture number 4. Right now we are doing the story on how the tiger got its stripes. My setup is in the jungle. So where's in the jungle? So maybe in the jungle they have animals. They have a beautiful place. They have like a small river here. These are the setting or the set a place that you want to put in the stories or the atmosphere or all the surrounding. Second point is characters. What is characters? Characters can be people, animal, or figures in a story. You have to choose your characters wisely. Then you have to set the characters into main characters or supporting characters. If you're still confused what is different between main and supporting characters, look at the picture here. I will show you the first picture, which is the Harry Potter. Okay, Harry Potter is the main characters for the Harry Potter movie. He has 2 friends, Hermione and Ron. Both are actually supporting characters for Harry Potter. But what makes it very interesting to watch the movie is when you watch towards the end, Ron and Hermione become the main character together with Harry Potter. Okay, other than that, we have the Avengers. Avengers, these are the main characters. And how about the supporting characters? For example, like Loki and Thanos. They are both antagonists for the story. That's why the movie is very interesting. There is a bad guy, there is a good guy. Okay, how about Peppa Pig and Tayo? So both of them are main characters. How about this character? Well, this one is set to represent me as the main characters for this video. Last point is plot. Plot is the event that happened at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the story. In your story, you must have 3 parts, which is beginning, middle, and ending. Okay, what does it mean by beginning, middle, and ending? Imagine you're doing bahasa Melayu karangan. So, bagaimana cikgu ajar kamu? Mesti ada permulaan, pertengahan, dan akhiran ataupun kesimpulan. Okay, that's why they have 3 parts. If you have 3 parts, your story will be blunt and it's not fun to read. So you have to have these three parts to make your essay interesting. Same thing you do in Bahasa Melayu. In Bahasa Melayu also we have like this one, a position, which means beginning of the stories, and then how you create the stories into a climax. The climax of the story, what happened to the characters. Then, by the end, what happened to the person? There's a falling action, which is maybe you want to write about the kesimpulan of the story, or you want to write the ending of the story by saying moral. She become a good girl, she become a bad girl. So it's up to you based on your opinion and based on what you want to write. So it's very important to remember you have to write using the three systems, which is first setting, number two, you have to have the characters, and lastly, you have to have the plot. So that's how you want to write interesting story. Activity. Okay, why not? You try to answer the question on page 77. Look at your textbook, page 77. Okay, what you need to do is to find the setting, characters, and the plot based on the story how the tiger got its stripes. Complete the table. For example, in the first one, which is setting, okay, where did the story take place? Okay, do you know you have already watched the movie, right? You already read the story about the tiger. So the first picture is it happens. Where does it happen? Yes, in a jungle because the tiger lives there. And then beside the jungle, when the tiger saw the buffalo, which is at the yes at the paddy field. And how about another one, which is at the river? Yes, because those when the time when the tiger saw its tribe. So that is the setting of the story for how the tiger got its stripe. Then you find the characters. Who are the characters in the story? Number three you need to do is to find the plot. You need to write in your own word what happened to the beginning of stories, what happened in the middle, and what happened at the end. That is how you practice to be more creative later. Why not you try it, guys? That's the end of my presentation, and I hope you have a good day. And if you have any questions, do contact me through WhatsApp and personal message. Okay, I will help you if I can. So be careful at home, do not go out, and make sure you take care of yourself and your health. Bye.